Atlas Locksmith LLC. At Atlas Locksmith LLC, we know locks. When you're locked out and need last-minute help or simply want to beef up security, we're the provider of the best locksmith services in Montclair from A to Z. Our primary service areas include emergency locksmith, automobile locksmith, residential locksmith, commercial locksmith, and rekey services. We have been in business for residential locksmith, commercial locksmith, car locksmith, safe. Bob Fraser Master Locksmiths is your source for all your hardware and locksmith service needs. It does not matter if you need specialty hardware, keys, or quality locksmith services, or if you need them for your home, car, or business. At Bob Fraser Security Center you will find all the hardware and locksmith services that you need. Call us at 973-746-4050 whenever you need a quick response and professional ability. For more information, please visit our website, www.atlasmasterlocksmith.com, or contact us through phone 973-746-4050. You can visit our office, 1 Garfield Court, Dayton, New Jersey, 08810. Atlas Locksmith LLC.